how to mix black from red and green. And also how to go off track and mix a whole teal blue color palette from your black color mix. I am specifically using a dark green and a dark red here. The red is Alizarin Crimson and the green is a Phthalo Green. Whoops! I think we're going to have a lot of green today. So let's start mixing them together. I'm using a bit more of the green. And there we go. Here we have our beautiful, rich, dark black. And now let's mix in a little bit of white to see what kind of black we've mixed here. Let's try not to mess up the paint again. Yeah, look. This is better than the big green blob. Now I think it's enough to use just a bit of the black and mix it with our white. Here you can see that it's leaning quite a lot towards green. So I'd like to mix in a bit more of the red. Yeah, this looks good. And here I'm just mixing a few more colors with what is left, because if I've got some paint in front of me, I simply can't stop. Yeah, and that is how it is with me. Now we created a beautiful teal blue color palette from our black color mix. Hope you enjoyed it! So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the next videos. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.